Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics. So I am going to show you how you can do an effortless, easy, pretty looking makeup look like this. And if you want to know how to achieve this easily, effortlessly, then keep on watching and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want to get content on how to do effortless looks on a daily basis, everyday, easy, doable makeup looks, which looks good in person and which you can do every day without putting too much time and effort into it. Okay, so let's dive into this video. So I've already primed my face. I have already put moisturizer, sunscreen, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's such a big name. I keep mixing it up and call it something else. So this is a very good, illuminating base if you want a glowy finish for your overall look. And I'm going to blend it. I would just use my fingers today. I need to wash my brushes and kind of lazy, so just use my fingers today. So this instantly brings a glow on your face, as you can see. And by the time this dries off, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the e.l.f. pencil and just draw very light-handed strokes. If you haven't checked out my previous video where I'm showing you what is the importance of doing the brows first, I will link that video to this one. So please go watch it if you struggle to understand what are the next steps for your makeup, what should you do personally, then that video could be helpful. So personally, I always tend to do my brows first because that gives me a frame and helps me judge better like what I need next. So brow pencils like these are very easy to use. They don't go too creamy and they are not too waxy that they don't leave any pigment. They have the absolute perfect balance of pigment and waxiness and everything, and it's very user friendly for beginners, and that's why I would recommend using a brow pencil, a brow pomade, things like this which are easy to use. If you want to choose between a brow pencil and a brow pomade, if you are not sure with the handedness of your strokes, then you can go with the brow pencil, because for pomade you need to have very controlled strokes, otherwise it is going to look very blocky. So now the flawless filter has dried off quite a bit. A concealer. This is by Too Faced. I'm just using a very tiny amount. Just focusing on the center of my face today. all you need to do is press the product into the skin, okay? Just press it in and it gets blended very, very easily. For most concealers, this is the technique that you need to do. Just press it in into the skin and it just melts in. And this is a decent coverage, and I'm going to powder it. I'm using um, the MAC Fix Plus. To set the concealer. I'm not trying to build a full coverage. I'm just using a very, very sheer um, concealer, very, very sheer, compact, just to, you know, um, give an even skin tone kind of a look. And now that I've powdered my face, um, I'm going to use a powder blush. So today I'm going to use this blush by Makeup Revolution, and this is a new find. Okay, this is a very, very close dupe. If you're looking for a red blush, this is a very nice dupe to the NARS uh, Exhibit A. Let me show that to you. Orgasm. Okay, this is so. One sec. Oops, can't open this. Okay, so this is NARS Orgasm, and this is the Makeup Revolution one. Okay, it's a very, very close dupe, and I love red blushes because they have a very good ability to make you look naturally flushed without looking you have that angelic flush, like that pixie glow on you, that fairy kind of a look. So this is what I would use today. If you have the NARS Exhibit A, I know you will love it. And if you don't have this, if you're looking for something in your budget, something which is not as expensive, this one is a very good dupe. This is by Makeup Revolution, and the color is called, I'm going to link the color. I'm going to mention the color in the description bar below. So make sure that you check it out. Okay, it's called Pop My Cherry. Okay, Makeup Revolution blush in Pop My Cherry. So that is what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to load my blush brush. It's a fluffy, nice brush. Okay, evenly load the product in. Test it on the back of your hands, and then go about to deposit the product on your cheeks. Never ever, uh, deposit products on your cheeks without testing it on your hands, because that could be a disaster and it will take so much more longer time for you to blend it out. So I just dipped the brush once, and this is the kind of flush that I can get with this color. Use a little on the temples, chin, nose. Isn't that pretty, right? So that's I love doing blushes like this, because if you have a large face like me, Oh my goodness, all my hair is sticking because my hair is wet right now. If you have a large face like me, blush, bronzer, contour are your best friends, okay? Um, so now that I have the blush on, I'm going to use a bronzer. And for the bronzer, I'm going to use this one. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. And this is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless Finish bronzer. It's a huge pan. And I'm just going to load my brush onto this bronzer, test it on the back of my hands, and then push the product into the hairline. And that's going to give you the most natural looking, flushed, fresh skin look. I'm also going to use just a wash of whatever is left on my brush on my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes. Where's my lash curler? Can't find it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just use the mascara by Lancome. This is Lancome Idole lashes. The mascara is called Lash Idole by Lancome. So this is a makeup look that is very easy to do. If you just want to look put together and you want to look good in no time, basically effortless looks, something that you can do without too much thinking, too much planning. I'm also going to do my lower lashes. So that's how beautiful this mascara is. Very natural, nothing too dramatic, but makes a statement. Let me quickly get a tissue to blot the oil from my lips. So before moving on, Just blot your lips and then use a lipstick. I'm going to use this lipstick called Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is a very beautiful color, um, a very beautiful muted color that you can pull off with any kind of looks. And that's the finished look. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such easy, effortless makeup looks from me. And I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.